I was trying to verify my address with you guys.
Can you say that again?
You guys called me because I owe taxes. Tax fraud.
Uh-huh.
Hello? Is this the IRS? Did I call the right number?
Yes. U.S. Internal Revenue Service, and this is Officer Daniel Thomas.
Daniel Thomas?
Uh, yes, and I believe I'm speaking with Mr. Michael DeGraff Chen, correct?
Yeah. Do you have my address? Hello?
Hold on for a moment. Yes, hello.
Why do you guys keep hanging up on me? I'm trying to get this figured out.
Yes, Mr. Michael, I think we have to word the previous call, correct?
Yeah, and you guys hung up. What's my address?
Do you remember that?
What is my address so I can receive paperwork?
I don't give a shit about your address.
You don't give a shit about my address, really? Why? What? Are you the IRS? You're yelling at me.
What? Was alright?
Is this the IRS saying you don't give a crap about my address?
Why do you care about it?
What was that?
Why are you so serious about it? Huh?
I'm worried about my tax fraud.
If you worry about the tax fraud, then why didn't you file the taxes correctly? Why didn't you file the taxes on time? Why didn't you provide full information to the taxpayer to file the taxes?
I file my taxes every single year.
If you don't want this kind of trouble, then why didn't you file the taxes before?
I did file my taxes.
Sorry?
I did file my taxes.
Yes, we are not saying that you are not filing your taxes. You are filing your taxes, but not with the appropriate information and not with the appropriate amount which you need to come up to the IRS. You see, Mr. Michael, I can see that your address is now. We have already sent you the letter, but as you did not reply to those letter, we thought that you were trying to run away from the situation. That is the reason the lawsuit is filed on the name. We'll send you the letter at your mailing address regarding this matter on 7th of November 2017. And when you receive the letter,
What is my address? Do you guys have my correct address? Because I haven't gotten mail.
alright, it's 1218 Frontier Avenue, Madison Heights, MI 48071.
Okay, that's not the right one.
Well, in this case, we can't do anything. We're not here focusing about your address. We're just here focusing about the thing you default to the IRS.
So how much do I owe? How much am I in trouble with fraud then?
Well, right now, I can't give you any information on this recordable line. Just wait for the Sheriff Department and the IRS investigation team to reach at your doorstep, okay?
Well, I need more information on this.
If you have any further questions, then you can ask your investigation team who will be arriving at your doorstep, along with your investigation team, along with all the documentation where exactly you ended up making a mistake. Is that okay with you, Mr. Michael?
What do I need to do? What do I have to do right now? What do I have to do right now to make this not happen?
Yes, they will be providing all the information required for you, and then they will be taking you to the custody for further investigation, and they will be putting you behind the custody for 48 hours in the first hearing, or maybe for 2-3 days. You see, once you are under detention, you'll be directly presented in the federal courthouse, depending on the availability at the courthouse within the next 3 days.
So,
Okay. So, Mr. Michael, once you received the letter, why didn't you respond to those letters?
I never received a letter.
As soon as you receive the letter, you will have to contact the IRS within the 30 to 40 business days. But as you did not reply to those letters, we told that you are trying to run away from the situation.
Oh.
That's the only reason the lawsuit is filed against your name, and there is an arrest warrant issued on your name.
Okay. Well, can I get some information from you just so that when I call the IRS again, I can make sure that I spoke with you and that they're not gonna get me in trouble, so that I can get this process going? What was your What was your name? And like, I guess your ID.
Alright, in my basic, yeah, you can write down my name, my pay charting number, and your case charting number for your future references. You know that once the officer reaches the doorstep, they will be asking my name, my pay charting number, and they will be asking your case charting number. Okay? So write down my name, which is Daniel Thomas. Alright?
Yep. And like, what?
Daniel Thomas.
Yep. Your name is Daniel Thomas, huh?
Yeah.
That's a pretty.
Charting number is
Did you change your name? That's a pretty American name for an Indian man.
sorry?
I said that's a pretty American name for an Indian man.
Alright, that's not a problem.
That's not a problem. I didn't say it was a problem. I'm just
Yeah.
wondering, did you change your name?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So what's your badge number then? Do you have a badge number?
It's IRM 0539.
IRM's. What was that again?
IRM 0539.
Okay.
Alright.
And then what do I got to do now?
Yeah, so just wait for the ship department and your IRS investigation team. They will be contacting you and then they will be tracking down your address and then they will be taken to the custody to the first hearing.
You know what's funny about this whole thing? I looked up this phone number and it records that it's a scammer. Are you a scammer? Or is this the actual IRS calling me?
See, Mr. Michael, for now that I've already told you that my name is Daniel Thomas.
I know. I'm not asking that. If you literally
Yes, listen to me. Okay, hold on, listen to me.
No, you listen to me really fast. No, you listen to me really fast, Daniel Thomas.
Your case is going to be registered in the courthouse.
All right. Daniel Thomas. Let me talk, please.
All right, go ahead.
Okay.
Go ahead. Let us see.
So, the IRS contacted me by phone about tax fraud before sending paperwork, right? Am I correct? Like, I haven't received one notice or anything about this.
Talking about a tax fraud on this recordable line, as I've already told you. I'm just here to inform you that your case is going to be registered in the courthouse.
Hey, Daniel Thomas,
We are giving you a
you know what you should do?
before you can get registered into the courthouse.
Daniel Thomas.
What is it? Mr. Michael D. Rancher?
That's great. You can look up anybody online. You know my name. Perfect. But do you know that if you Google this phone number that you called me from, it comes back as an IRS scammer? So I would stop what you're doing right now because this is crap. You're not fooling anybody. You are an illegal immigrant trying to get money out of people. There's no way in hell you are the IRS, okay?
Alright.
No, there's no way in hell.
Alright.
Yeah. So you need to stop doing what you're doing and ripping off people.
Alright. So any last word? Any final question before we disconnect the call?
No, I want to talk to you. I want to know why you're scamming people. Because you've already sworn at me several times. I don't think somebody that works for the IRS will be swearing at a person.
Alright. In order to know that why I scam people, maybe you can just type in Google, why do people scam people? Why do people scam? Besides that, I hope you will find the answer. You have a wonderful day, Mr. Michael.
No. Why are you scamming people? Ah. Really?
Revenue Service, how can I help you?
Hi, is this Daniel Thomas?
What is it?
Is this Daniel Thomas? Who hangs up on somebody at the IRS?